Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to start with the teardown on the Bronco. So stay tuned and we'll get to work on that. Well, there you have it. We got quite a bit accomplished on the Bronco today. We did get it tore down quite a bit. The wind did pick up, so we went ahead and called it a day. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like this video, make sure to give it that thumbs up. And feel free to drop any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.